Good afternoon. Chapter Approximations, exercise 6.4, question number 1. The question is, using differentials, find the approximate value of each of the following up to 3 places of decimal. Okay? So, number 1 question is, find the approximate value of approximate value of under root 25.3. Okay, up to 3 places of decimal. Okay, so find the approximate value of under root 25.3 using differentials up to 3 places of decimal. Okay, solution. This is part 1. Now let y equal to root x, because question is under root. Y equal to root x, therefore derivative of y is dy by dx equal to root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 root x. Let x equal to because the question is 25.3, so x plus delta x is question inside the root, that is 25.3, and take x equal to 25. Let x equal to 25 and x plus delta x equal to x plus delta x equal to 25.3. Okay, so delta x equal to x plus delta x minus x, so equal to x plus delta x means 25.3 minus x is 25, so equal to 0.3. This is delta x. Okay, so delta x equal to 0.3. Now delta y equal to delta y in dy, that is delta y equal to increment of y, delta y equal to, so we know fx equal to root x, so delta y equal to under root x plus root x, that is under root x plus delta x minus root x. Okay, because we know fx equal to root x and f of x plus delta x equal to under root x plus delta x. and f of x plus delta x minus fx, that is delta y. It's okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So delta y equal to x plus delta x under root minus root x. Now x plus delta x means 25.3.
25.3.
Yes. So under root 25.3 minus, and root x means x equal to 25. So root 25,
5.
root 25. Then under root 25.3 minus 5. Okay. So this means delta y plus 5 equal to under root 25.3. Okay. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now dy is the approximately equal to delta y is given by, that is dy equal to dy by dx into delta x, dy by dx into delta x. Now dy by dx means 1 by 2 root x equal to 1 by 2 root x into delta x equal to
0.3.
see 0.3, 0.3. Okay. Now what is x equal to? X equal to 25.
25.
Yes. So equal to 0.3 by 0.3 divided by 2 root 25. 2 root 25. So 2 root 25, 25 root is, that is 5. 5 into 2, 10. So 0.3 by 10. Okay. So dy equal to
0.02.
So 0.3 by 10 means 0.03. 0.03 is dy. Okay. Now from equation 1. Okay. From equation 1. From equation 1, under root 25.3 equal to delta y plus 5. So delta y and dy are same. So equal to 0.03 plus 5 equal to 5.03. Okay. 5.03.
Yes, sir.
So this is the approximate value of. So the approximate value of under root 25.3 is question. Yes, value of under root 25.3 is 5.03. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to solve this? First, because of question is under root, so take function y means fx. Fx equal to take root x. Okay, because of question is under root. So dy by dx is 1 by 2 root x, and let x equal to 25 and x plus delta x is total quotient, that is 25.3. So delta x equal to 25.3 minus 25, that is 0.3. Okay. Now we know delta y, increment of y equal to under root x plus delta x. Because of this quotient root is given, so minus root x. So under root 25.3 minus root 25, and root 25 means 5. So delta y plus 5 equal to under root 25.3. Okay. And now we know differential of y, that is dy. Dy equal to dy by dx into delta x, and delta x equal to 0.3, and dy by dx means 1 by 2 root x, and x equal to 25. So it is 0.3 by 10, that is 0.03. Okay. And so from equation 1, so 5 plus 0.03, that is 5.03. Okay. Clear? Now question
Yes, sir.
part 2. Question is 40 under root 49.5. Under root 49.5. Okay. This is the question. So let same type question under root. So let y equal to root x. So find this derivative. Therefore dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Now let x equal to, what is x equal to? Tell. X equal to
49.
49, and x plus delta x.
49.5.
X plus delta x equal to 49.5. Therefore delta x equal to delta x equal to 49.5
Minus 49.
minus 49,
0.5.
0.5. Okay. Now delta y. Okay. Then so delta y equal to, tell, delta y equal to under root
dy by under root x minus delta x minus under root x.
x plus delta x, no? Under root x plus delta x
Yes, sir.
minus root x.
Minus root x.
Okay, this is the formula. Delta y, increment of y, and this equal to x plus delta x means quotient 49.5 under root. Minus x is 49, so root 49. So this equal to under root 49.5 minus 7. Okay, so this means delta y plus 7, delta y plus 7 equal to under root
49.5.
49.5. Okay, this is number 1. Okay, now after that Now dy equal to no dy
Yes,
equal
sir.
to tell dy equal to differential of y dy by dx into delta x dy by dx into delta x. So dy by dx is 1 by 2 root x, okay, into delta x means 0.5, 0.5, okay. Now x means 49, so 0.5 by 2 root 49 equal to 0.5
By 14.
14, 1 4. Okay. Then dy equal to 5 by 140, no? Is it
Yes,
not?
sir.
5 by 140. Now divide. Calculate this. Up to 3 places of
1 by
decimal.
28.
So 5. You can divide like this only. 5. Okay. Then point 0. Take 0. Then another point 0. Okay. Now 4 into 14, 56. 3, no? 3. It will go by 3.
Yes, sir.
420, no? This by 500 minus 420, that is 80, no? 80. Take 1 0, then 800. Then 5 it will 700, no?
So 5, sir.
5, 700. $100. Take 1 more 0. Then now
Sir, 6, sir.
6 into 14. Then okay, if 7, then 7 it will go 7 700.
Yes, sir. 980.
980, no? So 20.
Yes, sir.
Now this equal to 3 places of decimal. That means we can write 0.036, no? Because 7 is greater than 5. Okay. So 3 places of decimal, dy equal to 0.036. Okay. Say, is okay?
Yes, sir.
Because 7 greater than 5, so 5 plus 1 6, 0.036 dy. This is dy. Now from equation 1, delta y plus 7, delta y means dy. So it is under root 49.5. Now from equation 1, from equation 1, question is under root 49.5 equal to
7 plus 0.036.
7 plus 0.036 equal to 7.0.
036.
Okay. This is the approximate value of under root 49.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay? This is answer. Okay? Then next question number 4, different type. Phone number 2. Number 4. Number 4 question is 0.009 bracket 1/3, no? 1/3 power. Okay? Power is 1/3. So let, yes, question is 0.009. Okay? So let y equal to, tell y equal to x to the power, this is not root x.
X to the power 1/3.
Yes, power is 1/3. So 1/3. Now find its derivative, dy by dx. 1/3
So
into
1/3 into x to the power minus
1/3 minus
2/3.
1. So minus 2/3, no?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 1/3 into 1/3 into x to the power 2/3.
X to the power 2/3.
This is the derivative. Yes. Now let. So what is x? X equal to, in this question,
0.
x equal to 0.008 because of cubing, no? We can find easily, no?
Yes, sir.
0.008, 0.2 whole cube, and x plus delta x equal to
0.009.
0.009. So delta x equal to, therefore,
0.001.
yes, 0.009 minus 0.008, so 0.001. Okay? Now delta y equal to, delta y equal
X
to,
plus delta x whole to the power 1/3 into x to the power 1/3.
to the power 1/3 because of question 1/3 minus x to the power 1/3. Okay, and this means x plus delta x 0.009. This to the power 1/3 minus x means 0.008 to the power 1/3. This is 1/3, and 0.008 means 0.2 whole cube, no? 0.2. So 0.009 this to the power 1/3 minus 0.2, no? This equal to 0.2 whole cube. 3 into 1/3 cancel.
Yes, sir.
So 0.2. Now delta y, that is
Delta y plus 0.2 is equal to 0.009 whole cube.
delta y plus
Whole root.
2 equal to 0.009 to the power 1/3. This is the question. This is equation number 1. Okay? This is question 0.009. Now after that, dy equal to
dy is equal to dy by dx plus into
dy by dx into delta x. So dy by dx means 1/3
x to the power 2/3.
3 x to the power 2/3. 3x to the power 2 by 3 into delta x, and delta x means 0.001.
0.00.
0.001. Okay, now 0.001 divided by 3 into and x to the power 2 by 3 means
0.2 whole square.
0.2 whole square, 2 by 3. Okay, so this equal to
So 0.04.
1 by 3 into 0.04, no? Say 2 into 2, 4.
Yes, sir.
After 2 decimal point, so this equal to 0.001 divided by 0.012, no? 0.12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 0.12, 3 into 4, 12. After 2 decimal point, after 2 digit, okay, 0.12. Now we can write this equal to
1 by 12.
1 into 100 we can write, and divided by 12 into 1000, no? So 20 cancel, 1 by 120 equal to 1 by 120, no? Say
Yes, sir.
0.001 by 0.12. Okay, now this equal to 0.008 up to 3 places of decimal. Okay, now this is dy equal to, this is dy 0.008. Now from equation 1, 0.00, question is 0.009, 0.009 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 3 equal to, say, delta y plus 0.2. So 0.008 plus 0.2. Okay, so this equal to what? 0.2 means 0.200. So
0.208.
0.208, no? Okay, this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
This is the approximate value of 0.009 to the power 1 by
Yes,
3.
sir.
Okay, so clear how to solve approximate value, how to find?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so practice these all questions, and question number 4, 5, 6 you try. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.